Welcome to Local Life Outdoors. On this little short video here, we're going to be talking about the giveaway details of the live giveaway coming up this week, hopefully. We almost at the 500 subscriber mark. I need to get the subscriber count up because once I reach 500 subscribers, I will be doing a live giveaway. I got a tackle box full of tackle I will be giving away. I'm fixing to show you the details of everything that's included in the giveaway. Here is some of the things that's going to be on the live giveaway. We have some Eagle Claw Aberdeen number 6 hooks. Got 2 packs of these. This is what I like using for brim fishing. Got some Rage tail, watermelon and red bass worms. Got some Zoom black trick worms. Got some bobble stops. Got some H&H spinner baits, just a single spinner lure here, 3/8 ounce. This is H&H double spinner lure, 3/8 ounce. I got a Guggen Squad flipping jig, blue and black. Got a pack of crappie bites, the chartreuse color. Got a pack of the ball head jigs, the white with the red eye, 1/16 ounce. Got the Berkeley Trilene 10-pound extra tough. That's also what I use for brim fishing. I got a handful of toothpick corks, big bite baits, bass worms. They got blue and a darker color. Got some Mr. Crappie Strike King. They are white, curly tail. I got some Bobby Garland crappie baits. They are the lights out baby shad. Got some Bobby Garland baby shad and the key lime pie. And I got a little Plano tackle box that everything's gonna be in. And all this will be going on a live giveaway coming up hopefully this week if I get the subscriber count up. Y'all help me get the subscriber count up. It's almost at 500 now, and once I reach 500 I will be doing a live giveaway.
This is the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Local Life Outdoors and comment down below and like the video and ring the notification bell.